video, we're going to show you how to assemble your HÅG Capisco chair. Simply follow these easy step-by-step instructions and you'll be ready to go. Your chair will arrive in a box with everything you need to assemble it. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. Firmly place the gas stem into the base. With the seat placed fabric side down, locate and remove the Allen key. Place the Allen key safely to one side. Slide the end of the gas stem into the hole on the underside of the seat. Rotate the now completed base onto its side with the backrest screw and washer at the top. Undo and remove the backrest screw and washer and keep these close to you. Pick up the backrest and slide the metal end into the slot located on the seat, ensuring that the screw hole is aligned. Firmly secure the backrest and seat together with the backrest screw and washer using the Allen key provided. Set the chair upright. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like more information about healthy working postures, you can head to our website at posturite.co.uk.